Welcome back to Autocars Play, your go-to spot for the most exciting machines on four wheels. Today, we're diving deep into a beast that combines luxury, performance, and bold design like never before, the 2026 BMW X6 M. Stick around because this isn't just a facelift or a minor upgrade. BMW is hiding some serious muscle under this sleek shell. At first glance, the 2026 X6 M doesn't just turn heads, it stops traffic. The new front fascia features slimmer adaptive LED headlights, an even more aggressive kidney grille, and a redesigned bumper that screams dominance. The coupe-like silhouette remains, maintaining that signature X6 presence, but with sharper lines and more aerodynamic enhancements. BMW has refined the proportions to strike a perfect balance between sporty aggression and executive elegance. Now let's talk power, and this is where things get really interesting. The 2026 X6 M is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, but with a major twist. BMW has introduced a 48-volt mild hybrid system that boosts both performance and efficiency. This electrified touch pushes total output to a jaw-dropping 625 horsepower and 750 Nm of torque. That means 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.7 seconds, not bad for a luxury SUV that weighs over 2 tons. But here's the long-kept secret BMW doesn't really shout about: the tech hiding behind that performance. It's not just raw power, it's how the X6 M uses it. With BMW's MX-Drive all-wheel drive system and an active M differential, this SUV delivers incredible grip in all conditions. Whether you're tearing up a mountain pass or pushing through city traffic, the 2026 X6 M feels planted and confident. There's also a new suspension system with adaptive M dampers and active roll stabilization that makes the ride more refined without sacrificing any aggression inside. It's a tech lover's paradise. The new curved display merges a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch touchscreen running the latest BMW iDrive 9 system. Everything from navigation to climate control is smoother, smarter, and more connected than ever. Voice commands are sharper, and over-the-air updates ensure your ride stays future-proof. The cabin materials have also taken a step up. From merino leather upholstery to carbon fiber trims and ambient lighting, the 2026 X6 M feels every bit like the luxury performance SUV it claims to be. Rear passengers haven't been forgotten either. There's more legroom, improved seating comfort, and even personalized climate zones, safety and driver assistance features. All top of the line. BMW's Driving Assistant Professional package includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and even a highway driving assistant that can take over in certain conditions. So what's the verdict? The 2026 BMW X6 M is more than just a powerhouse, it's a statement. A bold, muscular, and high-tech machine that offers no compromises. For those who crave performance without sacrificing comfort or cutting-edge features, this might just be the ultimate driving machine. Thanks for watching Autocars Play. Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next. Would you like a matching voiceover or background music suggestion for the video as well?